Hello and welcome. My talk is called Request, Response, Repeat. So if you're just getting started with programming Python and web development, I think a module that you should really know about is the request module. So if you have a Python installed on your computer, to install the request module, all you have to do is go onto the terminal and say pip install requests. And what the request module is to me, I think it's a quick and easy way to request data from another website using the terminal or a Python script. And it's useful if you want to work with data without creating fake data for your website. I think it's great. And then this is a complete lightning talk. So this is the resource where you would go and learn more about it. And I just want to show a small Python script. So the National Weather Service has an open API that you can query using the request module. Oklahoma City has a latitude of 35, 46, 75 and a longitude of negative 97, 51, 61, 111. So basically I put these latitude and longitude coordinates as strings. I created another string, which I then used the dot format syntax to add that latitude and longitude into it. And then I actually made the request. Request.get, and then get that URL. And what comes back is JSON. And so if you just say .json, you get a JSON object back. And that JSON object has keys, which you can access. And once you access that, you can work with that JSON. And that JSON looks like this. So by querying the National Weather Service with the latitude and longitude, I get back the forecast for the next 7 days, night and day weather forecast. So today will be 66, and it'll be kind of windy. 7 days out at night, we're going to have a low of 23, according to the National Weather Service. So the request module is a really quick way to start grabbing data and working with it. And I recommend if you're developing websites and working with Python to use it. Thanks.